Welcome back to The Explainer. Today we're diving into something really cool for developers, a powerful AI toolkit that's all about being local first. All right, let's just jump right in. The whole idea here kicks off with one big promise: simplicity. I mean, think about it. You want a full-blown local AI development setup, and you get it with just one command. That's it. We're talking no crazy config files, no wrestling with dependencies for hours. And that really is the central question, isn't it? What if it was that easy? It's all about getting rid of the headaches that usually come with setting up local large language models. The whole point is to let you jump straight into the fun part, actually building stuff, all while knowing your work is totally private and secure, right there on your own machine. Okay, so what is this thing really? Let's break down what the AI Dev Suite actually is. Well, think of it as your own personal, self-contained AI world for development. And that phrase, local first, that's everything. It means it all runs right there on your computer. We're talking tools for chat, for research, and for something called RAG memory. That's Retrieval-Augmented Generation, and we'll get to what that means in a second. Basically, it's made for any developer who wants all the power of AI but isn't so keen on shipping their secret sauce, their code, off to some cloud server. All right, now this is where it gets really interesting. One of the best things about this suite is that it doesn't force you into one way of working. It's built to fit your workflow wherever you feel most at home. So no matter how you like to work, there's an option for you. If you're a command line wizard, there's a great terminal user interface, or TUI. If you're more of a visual person, there's a full-on desktop app with a proper graphical interface. And if you're building custom stuff, there's a rock-solid API you can hit. You pick your cockpit, but the engine underneath is exactly the same. Okay, let's get under the hood and talk about the engine. What are the core superpowers that make this thing a real partner in your development process? It really boils down to 4 key capabilities. First, you get to chat directly with powerful local models. Think Ollama, Mistral, you name it. Second, it has this persistent memory system using RAG, which basically means the AI learns from you. Third, there's a document drive which lets you build knowledge bases out of your own files. And finally, it can even go out and do web research for you. It's a pretty powerful combo. Okay, this memory function is seriously smart. You can literally just tell the AI/remember this thing, and it will. But it gets better. When you finish a chat session, it automatically figures out the important stuff from your conversation and saves it for next time. It's like having an assistant that actually pays attention and gets smarter about your projects over time. Super useful. And this right here might just be the game changer for any developer. The idea of turning your project docs into an expert you can just talk to. So what this means is you can literally just dump your project's documentation, your entire code base, research papers, whatever, into this thing. You can create separate knowledge bases for each project, so you can switch contexts on a dime. All of a sudden, the AI isn't just a generalist, it's an expert on your specific project. And the best part? It's all happening locally. Your code, your IP, it never goes anywhere. And controlling all this is super easy. It's all done with these simple / commands right in the chat. You can check what the AI remembers, tweak its personality, add files to its brain, or send it off to do research. It's all right there, super intuitive, and incredibly powerful. Okay, but let's be real. What happens when stuff breaks? Every developer knows that things will break. Any complex system needs a good way to figure out what went wrong, and this suite is no different. And yeah, we've all been there, right? Staring at a totally useless blank error message. It's so frustrating. You know something's busted, but you have absolutely no idea where to even begin looking. It's a massive time sink. So, this is exactly why the suite includes its own built-in debugger. It's designed to take all that frustrating guesswork and replace it with actual answers. It shines a light on what's happening inside the system and even points you toward the solution. And this debugger is no joke. It's constantly checking the health of the system every 10 seconds. It lets you see the live logs in a nice, clean interface. You can even run test chats to diagnose problems. But here's the kicker. It uses another AI to analyze the logs and suggest how to fix the problem. I mean, the AI is literally helping you debug itself. How cool is that? So, we've talked about the what. Now let's talk about the why. What's the philosophy, the big idea, behind building this whole thing in the first place? This sentence right here, this is everything. This is the core belief the entire project is built on.
We live in a world where using AI usually means sending your private data to someone else's server. This suite pushes back against that. It's all about privacy. It's all about ownership. Your work, your code, it stays with you. End of story.
And you can see this philosophy in the creator's core principles. It's not about being perfect. It's about making progress. It's not about competition. It's about collaboration. It's openly in alpha, which is just another way of saying, hey, come help build this. It's a tool that's meant to grow and evolve with the community.
So to wrap it all up, what we have here is the AI Dev Suite. It's a really complete toolkit that gives developers serious AI power, but in a way that's private, adoptable, and totally under their control. It's built by a developer for developers.
And that's really the big question it leaves you with, isn't it? When you know for a fact that your code, your data, your next big idea, when all of it stays on your machine safe and sound, what does that free you up to create?